There we go. Next one, we have a registered nurse, mompreneur, and a mom of 3. Diamond Director, Florence Villanueva. Next one, we have, of course, a pianist, a businesswoman, and he's on a Ruby Director, Miss Rita Balcazar. And lastly, we have an entrepreneur, and he's on a Diamond Director. We have Ed Yuto. There you go. So 4 of them are here this morning, and they'll be joining our media guests later during the lunch. And I know you guys are very excited about this particular serum. You received a bottle of this one a month ago, and you guys have been using that. You guys are all glowing this morning. Right? But I want to know, like, what makes you guys very excited about this very launch of this very product?
So, Happy New Year, everyone. Now, what's really making me excited for this product is that the resurfacing serum gets to combine strong and powerful exfoliating ingredients with nourishing and hydrating properties that actually delivers results instantly. Yun talagang pinaka-point, instantly. But without compromising skin health. And it's very rare to find these types of products that targets or that can resurface skin texture, brighten complexion, and minimize the appearance of pores that you can actually use daily. Yung gentle enough to use daily. And I'm so excited for everyone gets to try this so that we can achieve that K-pop idol look skin, di ba? Na hindi na tayo nahihirapan what products to use kasi what products are effective. So because of the resurfacing serum, I'm very excited for everyone to try this.
Thank you very much, Ed. Now, Rita, would you like to say something?
Yes, I've been here for 16 years with Miss Cherry here. We grew together here in Sana. I've always said that age is just a number, and I'm never ashamed when they ask me how old I am. I am 71 years old. And Sana has been taking care of me 16 years in the Philippines from that time I started. So health is inside out and the skincare products is outside in. Why am I excited about this particular product? Celavive launched a lot of products which I used, but I really got excited with this product because for the first time, when you're getting older, as Miss Cherry is saying, and all of us, every woman wants to look young. Yes. Right? Yes. Everyone wants to look young. Nobody wants to look old. So for the first time, instead of buying so many products, in this one product, we have the ingredients that really take care of major things that we worry about. Wrinkles, melasma, and the suppleness of the skin. So, I know most of you are young, most of them are half my age. Less than half my age. But my challenge is this. How would you look like at 71 years old? So, do not think that you need to get old to use skincare. I started using skincare when I was 30 years old because I read an article. Women, after 30, you go down. Men get more handsome, they still reaching their peak. But women, you start going down. So at 30, I really was researching, going everywhere, reading everything. But this is exciting because one product has, my God, the niacinamide and that Bok Choy oil, that is the new retinol. That's what people are crazy about. That's a Korean, thing. But why buy other products online? You're not sure if that's imitation. Why use Sana? Because you're sure they'll never sell you anything that it's not science-based and genuine, real, safe. Price-wise, if you're, I don't want to mention brands, but I used all kinds of expensive brands, and I can say this. For the price of the Celavive Resurfacing Serum, you're a winner. You're a winner. You can really use it twice a day without getting guilty. You can afford it. Right? And of course, with your Usana Nutritional. So really, Usana took care of me, is taking care of me, and will take care of me. Like, last thing, everybody's getting a cold these days, right? Many people. I went on family outings and everything for the Christmas. Everyone got sick. Everyone. Except me.
Yeah.
I was the very last one, and I just got a little cold, and they got serious influenza. So, as a mother, my son is here, he got sick. I feel so blessed at 71. Usana afforded me the opportunity to take care of my son. He lives in the US, so thank you, Usana. Thank you, Dr. Wenz. And really, go Usana, don't let it go. No matter what any new product, no, stay with Usana.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Rita. Now we would just like to, but first,